Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Agile CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Agile CRM website at agilecrm.com. Once on the homepage, look for the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Enter your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name. Now, provide your business email address. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password in the next field. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Fill in your company name, if applicable. Choose the number of employees in your organization. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click the Create Account button to submit your information. A verification email will be sent to the email address you provided. Go to your email inbox and find the verification email. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. You will be redirected back to the Agile CRM site. Fill out your profile details, such as your company information. Set up any additional preferences as prompted. Once done, click Finish Setup to complete the registration. Your Agile CRM account is now ready for use. You can log in using your email and password at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.